PRP improves the quality of the existing hair but does not grow new hair. Please remember, PRP does not grow new hair. Anybody who has a hair loss nowadays wants PRP. আমাকে ডাক্তারবাবু PRP করে দেন, কিন্তু PRP ব্যাপারটা কি আরো জানতে হবে? PRP is platelet-rich plasma. In our blood, we have a section of fragment where there is high quality of growth factors available in good quantity, which is the platelet-rich plasma. We take the blood, centrifuge, take out that fraction which has a lot of growth factors and then inject it into the area where you want better healing, quicker healing and good tissue. It can be anywhere, from ulcer that's not healing, from a pain in the knee, a pain in the calf, a pain in the heel, or also in the hair. So what does PRP do? Being enriched in growth factors, these growth factors go into that area and improve the quality of this tissue. In the hair, PRP will make the hair better, thicker, more in diameter, better length of growth, less to fall, but again I repeat, they do not grow new hair. Also, it's very important to do PRP correctly. There's a certain protocol you have to follow where you spin the taken out blood along with the anticoagulant added to it for a few minutes, which is about sometimes 5 minutes, 8 minutes, 10 minutes, depending on the machine and the number of spins you have, and then let it settle and aspirate very finely to take out that fraction which is above the platelet-rich plasma, which has the growth factors in abundance, which will improve the hair. There's also now a technique which has little change, which is called GFC, or growth factor concentrate. Here the growth factors are given, and when added to the blood, they become more concentrated, and there you can get a better yield, a bigger yield of the growth factors from that area. So, আবার বলি, PRP তে আপনার চুল ভালো হবে, স্থায়ী হবে, বেটার হবে, ভালো গ্রো করবে, কম পড়বে, কিন্তু নতুন চুল গজাবে না। যেখানে চুল নেই, কাইন্ডলি বিভ্রান্ত হয়ে যাবেন না। লোকেরা বলবে PRP করুন, PRP করুন, PRP করলে কিন্তু নতুন চুল হবে না। যে চুলগুলো আছে সেগুলো ভালো হবে, এবং PRP একা কাজ করে কিনা সেটাও সন্দেহজনক। ওষুধ সঙ্গে PRP করলে রেজাল্ট বেটার হয়। শুধুমাত্র PRP করলে কতটা লাভ হবে, how much benefit you have, we don't know. So that is for PRP. We do a lot of PRP. If you want it, please contact us and we'll definitely help you.